So guys, today we're not gonna have a chitty chat in front of a glass of wine. We're gonna use it because it's gonna be a part of the ingredient, but we're gonna have something amazing, something beautiful. We're gonna have red wine risotto with sausage. Mamma mia, the sound already hyped me. So I'm gonna show you how we make it right now. Green onion, I love it because it's sweet. Rosemary, bay leaves, white onion, Parmigiano Reggiano, butter. Sausage, this sausage is amazing. It's a hot Italian pork sausage. That's my choice, get whatever you like. Then I have extra virgin olive oil, riso arborio, which is the perfect one for the risotto because it's a thick rice, you can cook on high temperature. Now, we want to be friends, right? Use the wine that you like. I'm having a Rosso di Montalcino, $16, you get a great bottle of wine. So let's start with the green onions. Green onion, I'm not gonna slice it to small chunks because I wanna have like a nice big size because it's gonna be crispy and crunchy. Cut it in half. Careful with your finger. Like this. We're gonna keep it like this. And we do the same things with the rest. See? Take this off. Fuck. So as I said, we're gonna start with the green onion, we cut them, and now we're gonna sear them with the butter and the extra virgin olive oil. So butter, a touch of olive oil. We wait till the butter melt, and then we're gonna turn up our stove on 5 and we're gonna sear our green onion. You know what I like? I like vegetable broth because it's light. So, cut some onion, cut some celery, carrots, and talking about onion, the part that I didn't use of the green onion, I can put it on my broth. You can see how I make the vegetable broth on the first video, here or here. Okay guys, the pan is hot, the butter melt, and now we're toasting our green onion. And we have to sear them. My stove is on 7. 7 on my stove, it means hot. Put a touch of salt, just a little bit. They are perfect right now. They got a nice gold color, and we're gonna put it in our bowl. Now guys, it's time for our sausage, so we're gonna take the skin off, like this. And we take this off, see? Easy. And we cut this in big chunks, like this. Red wine and sausage. Do I need to tell you these things? You already know it. Now, we have our bay leaves, one rosemary, and then we'll put it in the pan where we cook our green onion. Let's put this back on a medium, on 5. Put our bay leaves here on the pan, and our rosemary. The pan is getting all the smell of the bay leaves and the rosemary. We're gonna do this for about 1 minute, the time that the oil and the butter get more flavor and more aroma of the bay leaves and the rosemary. We'll take off a rosemary or bay leaves. We're not gonna flip over the sausage, we're gonna sear them on one side, and the top side is gonna be softer while it reduces with the red wine. My stove is still on medium, and now we go with the red wine. Look at this. The sausage is taking a bath in the red wine. Thinking about taking a bath into the red wine. It sounds amazing to me. This is gonna take about 20 minutes. The longer, the better. Because now we start with our risotto, and we now make it onion. We'll cut it in small chunks, in the way it's going to melt. Onion, butter, olive oil, and we're gonna wait that the onion sear, and then we're gonna put the rice on. See, our onion is searing with the butter, and now we're gonna put our rice, about 160 grams for 2 people. It's a little bit more than the Italian restaurant portion we like to eat. And we toast it for about 2 minutes. Let's try the sausage. Oh, look at this, amazing. Touch of salt. It has been 2 minutes and instead of white wine, I want to put a red wine. Just a bit. Let's wait till we don't smell the alcohol and then we're gonna put our broth. Now it's time to add our broth and we have to cover it and it has to soft boil. You know how long it takes, we can do a miracle. 60 minutes, 80 minutes, it's up to you if you want it crunchy or not. So I'll see you guys in 60 minutes. The rice is absorbing the broth and when it gets dry, we will add more. The rice is calling for more broth. Hey bro, where are you? And always keep an eye on the sauce as it's cooking. So the risotto is almost done, we need to add a little bit of salt. And check if it's cooked or if it's salty enough. Be more salt. Don't over salt it because later we're going to whiskey, we're gonna mantecare with Parmesan cheese, thus tastes salty. Our rice is al dente, it's cooked. Okay, now we have to make our rice creamy and we're gonna add the butter and the Parmigiano Reggiano. The heat of the rice is gonna be hot enough to melt the butter and the Parmigiano Reggiano. Che bellezza! Now guys, it's time to serve our risotto. I can't wait. Dish. Sausage. 3. You forgot about the green onion? I didn't. A touch of the red wine that we use for cook our sausage. The rosemary that I cut before, just a little bit. It's time to try it, it's phenomenal. So I have the green onion, the rice, and the sausage. Vabbè, ciao. Ciao. The rice is al dente, it's cooked perfectly. You have the fatness of the sausage, is such a bold flavor that we cook it for about 30 minutes into the red wine. And the sweetness and crispiness of the green onions and the red wine, that's nice acidity. Guys, it doesn't cost much, it's unbelievable, trust me, unbelievable. Please try this, buon appetito. Did you like this recipe? If you did, put a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and to tell to your friends how easy it is to make real Italian dishes.